much. First of all, thanks for your time. I know how wonderful and how busy you guys are, so I appreciate the time here. I'm here, my name's Nate Lopez, just representing the Pure Living Family Foundation today. We're a small and young nonprofit trying to help parents with children with disabilities. Not just here in the city of Utah, but honestly, anywhere that we can reach them. Our goal really is to empower parents and help them take care of themselves. So we understand that there's a lot that goes into it, in parenting alone, let alone the child with disability. And sometimes we neglect to take care of ourselves, and we neglect to take care of ourselves that leads to a farther decay, and then you can't be the best person for your family. And they need you at 100%. So that's really where we started. To tell you a little bit more about who we are, our focus, our mission, and our philosophy, right? As we mentioned, right, we are trying to build community. We are a group of parents that got together and understood that there was a need to help others as well, to understand and help them, and then create a space that they could feel safe and be able to talk and communicate and share the struggle with others that might have a similar understanding. Although we don't understand each other fully, we have at least a little bit of a ground or a foundation, I guess, that we can talk from. Our focus, like I mentioned, right, is to support the dads, the moms, the grandparents, the caregivers, those that are all involved. When you have children with disability, that pool of people that can support you become a lot smaller. It can be very isolating. To be a dad, of a child with disability, you stop doing the things that you're used to doing because your child is screaming all the time, or they don't sleep and you're tired. You get isolated from your parents, from your friends, from all those different things, and those were kind of the needs that we were seeing. So we're really helping those parents and those moms and those dads and caregivers that are here, giving them their all to try to help them a little bit more. Our mission is to help as many of them as possible, to bring respite care, connection, community, education, and support in any way, shape, or form that we can. Our philosophy, right, is much like when you've been on the plane where they say put on your mask first before you can help your children or help others. Right? If you're not taking care of yourself first, you can't help anybody else. You can't help your children, you can't help your spouse, you can't help yourself. And we've seen a lot of sad cases of people that forget about themselves and end up down a mystery trail, right, that takes them nowhere really. Why we started, right? Why we started is a lot of the same reasons. We saw a big gap. We saw a lot of parents that seemed exhausted. Everybody that I met or that I knew that had a child with disability never seemed to get a rest, right? When you have neurotypical children and they go to sleep